Hello, welcome to this video. My name is Kennedy Otieno. I'm a software developer by profession, and I run a business called Technovara Software Solutions, where we focus on software development coupled with AI and business process automation. You can check our website on technovarasoftwares.co.ke. I'm also a top-rated freelancer in one of the largest human and AI-powered marketplace in the world called Upwork. You can also check on my Upwork profile and learn on my past work and some of the top clients I've worked with all over the globe. So today I want to introduce to you one of our products as Technovara Softwares, which is easybizpos ERP. So you can check much details on easybizpos ERP on easybizpos.co.ke. Yeah, that's the official website for the product. And now I want to take you through step by step on how what easybizpos is and how it helps you run your business smoothly. So this is the interface for EasyBiz POS ERP. And just before we dive into finer details, EasyBiz POS ERP is a business management software that helps you manage your business end to end by handling most of the processes in your business. For example, sales, inventory management, distribution, reports, finance, human resource, CRM. Yeah. So those are some of the modules that this system have. Now we are on the dashboard. So on the dashboard, you see the different statistical information on how your business is performing. For example, today's sales, business revenue, transactions, gross profit, and some charts here that helps you visualize everything really quick. So under the sales module, we have the POS interface, and this is how the POS interface basically look like. So on the POS interface, you can be able to sell products by scanning via a barcode, or you can just enter the product barcode manually or the product name. Yeah, and you'll be able to complete a sale from there. So under the same, we have the cash register management, we have the sales management. So under the sales management here, you can be able to see all the sales records. Then we also have a feature called quotations. So under quotation, you can also be able to draft a quotation and share with your clients. Then we have customer information management. So here you can, those customers that you work with frequently, you can be able to register them in your system, and you'll be able to access their information whenever you need, and you can also be able to track their interaction with your business. And now the second module is the inventory management. So under inventories, we have products. So here, this is the interface that you will be able to see all your products information. So you can add new products, and you can also be able to import and export product information. Yeah. Then we have brand management. So from category. So this category management, you will be able to see the categories. You'll be able to add categories of your product so that you can be able to manage those products easily, either by category or yeah, the different categories that you have. Then we have brands. So here you will be able to add the different brands or products you are selling. Then under inventory, here you'll be able to see your products numbers, and then the most important is whatever you have in stock, the alert level, whether it's low. And then you can also be able to track the stock movement for each specific product. For example, if you click on Vaseline, you will be able to see we had an opening stock, and then now we have the different movements. So you will be able to understand how a specific product is moving in your business to prevent things like theft. And then this interface is for doing stock taking. So here you can you can count, and then you come and enter the whatever is, you can be able to match whatever is in the system and whatever is in your shelves. And then we have the supplier management. So here you had your suppliers information. Then purchase orders, this one helps you create purchase orders, and you can be able to track those purchase orders from the beginning to the end, or from